to? Are you trying to play? Yes.
No.
Growling
I'm
about.
just having a little look there.
Trying to. He's getting lighter every day.
How old do you let them go? 8 weeks?
So I let him go, start letting him go at 7.
Right.
And then upwards. As long as I'm happy that they're eating.
Yeah.
And do you know what I mean? And everything here. That's all that matters.
Hello. Oh, Andy, they're so gorgeous. We've got a border Leyton cross.
Yeah, I
Which is, looks mostly like border, actually.
Yeah. Is it that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
just a
that's
bit,
right.
yeah.
I like that one actually, the little beige. It's the little beige.
Oh.
Is it lovely?
Oh.
Little white.
Little one, yeah.
Yeah. I don't you like what you can't choose.
Oh, that's just like, oh God, I couldn't.
Two.
It's a bit terrible.
It's not too soon to choose.
It is dull, because
Yeah.
you're supposed to know what the personalities and everything.
Yeah.
Because she had the beige, she's
Yeah.
the only one you know. She's a good girl, ain't dog. I started hand stripping her there, and she didn't like it, and she was pregnant, and it was too.